What's up guys, this is me Vilius from the Snooker Pro Club channel. I am professional BCA snooker coach, and today we will talk about aiming secrets, and I will share you one specific aiming routine which will allow you improve your aiming instincts and pot every single ball around the whole table. If you feel interested, stay tuned because you will get lots of benefits and value. So there is one specific routine which improves your instincts quickly. So what you have to do is to stand behind the shot and don't do any feathers. You go to the shot and you play like this. I come and I play. You see, I didn't do any feathers. You can do all around the table with all different angles. So what you have to do is stand behind the shot, do your shot approach, and without any feathers, deliver cue. Okay? What you will notice in the beginning that you aim too thick or too thin, and usually players, when they playing for the long time, they are compensating with their wrist or their body, and they are potting the ball. But when they are coming to the shot and they are playing, without any feathers, they're missing lots of balls. And the more instinctive your aiming is, the better you play. So for example, I have a coaching client which was about a 60-70 brick player, but when he started to do this exercise, he couldn't pot any ball. So he came to the shot like this and always hit it to the fixed side. After some time, he realized that he has to stand a little bit more to the right side, and then he started to pot balls with ease. So let me show you. He stands a little bit to the left, he came to the shot, and he always hit it to the fixed side, to the pocket. He was horrified. But when he changed his approach, he stands a little bit to the right, he came to the shot, and started to pot every single ball on the table.
If you want to improve your aiming, cue action, cue ball control, tactics and mental game, book online snooker coaching with the professional BCA snooker coach, Vilius Ebert.
So for example, I have a blue off the spot. Lots of people are missing those kind of shots. So what you have to do to pot the ball is to stand just behind the line. Make sure that your cue is on the line, and you, without feathers, potting the ball. Perfect exercise to improve your aiming instincts. So even I have such a difficult ball like this. Let's imagine I have pink to the center pocket. So you come to the table, you think that this is the correct potting angle, and without any feathers, try to pot the pink ball to the center pocket. So you can do with the green of the pocket. So if you're right eye dominant player, if you are a right hand player, it will be uncomfortable for you, but you still have to find the line and pot without any effort, just using your aiming instincts. So you just come, you even when you feel, after some time when you're getting more and more comfortable, you can start to pot difficult balls. So you can go and try to pot long ball with the angle. So I come, no feathers, shot. Easy. So this is why professional snooker players are good. They are coming, they know already the angle, the potting angle is correct, and they're potting the ball. Just remember how you stand behind the shot and your shot approach depended 90% of your pot success. 90% is not when you are already laying on the shot, is when you are standing here. We created a special video course about overall technique, aiming, and cue ball control. In the video course, I will reveal all secrets how to have amazing techniques so you could push the cue through the straight line. I will also share all techniques how to have amazing shot approach, aiming, and how to pot every single ball without any problem. Also, I will give you training methodology, which will help you practice in the most fast and efficient way so you could improve and gain confidence and have faith in your own abilities. And also, I will give you free personal coaching online, Skype, where I will work personally on your game and take a deep, and I will share my insights, what you have to do next, build your strategy tactics to move forward with your game. If you feel interested, make sure you click the link below, get a free gift, and register to the video course. And after that, we're gonna have a nice communication where we decide which product suits to you the best. And right now, I want to wish you best of luck and take care. See you soon, folks.